Hello folks. So in this video I wanted to talk about regret minimization, right? So it's a popular framework where people talk about ensuring that you don't regret things. Like the framework is called regret minimization framework, and the idea is you do things based on the idea that you reduce your future regrets. Now, I am a person who has had and I still have a lot of regrets. I can just keep listing down hundreds, thousands of regrets. For example, say yesterday I didn't go to gym. That's a regret. But the funny thing is, yesterday when I was thinking about it, I was like, how would I have a small neck pain and kind of like a small injury? So I had a reason for it. So I was like fine with it. But still, and even if I had gone for like 2 minutes or 5 minutes, I would have still not been satisfied. I would have been disappointed that I didn't actually, you know, that I didn't actually do much. So for me to be satisfied, I actually have to do quite a bit, and not just simply visit the gym and come back. Though that's good for habit building, but not a good to satisfy me. So I think the best thing to do here is ensure that I don't have injuries that easily, as much as possible, so that I can actually hit the gym and be satisfied and not have regrets. Other regrets would be like, say, something as simple as wasting time by thinking too much about nothing, or just random things, or sleeping too much, or not being awake too much, um, not doing enough things that I would like to do, but I'm always like, hey, I would like to rest, I would like to rest. But later I regret resting, though resting was great and all that, but then I'll regret it and be like, damn, I should have just done something. But then I'm like, what do I even want to do if I'm always resting? Will my life be gone just resting, right? So even my mom jokes about it. It's like, you don't want to live your whole life just sleeping and not doing anything. So yeah, I mean it's an extreme thing, but yeah, it is something. And yeah, I think one of the things that's causing a lot of stuff is like stress, like the energy levels that I have. I think stress is one of them that's causing the energy levels to go down. And also there is food, right? I'm not eating enough these days, I think, and I'm not eating enough nutritious food. So less nutrients and less food in general, so less energy is also a problem, I think. So that's causing me to regret stuff where I'm sleeping and not doing stuff and not getting stuff done. And another regret is like not being efficient at work, right? So I'm like, why am I spending too much time on some small things? So I want to be efficient and I want to get better, and then I want to ensure that I use all the opportunities that I have, at least most of the opportunities that I have, and not regret it, right? So I need to minimize the regrets as much as possible, even if I can't like minimize the regrets to zero, at least minimize it as much as possible so that I have very minimal regrets. So what is some regret that I'm okay with having versus what is some regret that I'm not okay with having. So for example, one regret that I might have probably in the future, let's say when I'm on my deathbed, that would be like, I didn't do much in this life. What did I ever do? So I was just sleeping all the time, or I was just wasting time, not doing anything. Uh, Not even sleeping, just randomly thinking about stuff and not doing anything. So tricky stuff. I think I'm gonna ensure that I'm gonna say make as much of my life as much as possible, as much use of my life as much as possible, and use my time very well and try to be efficient, and maybe sleep less, not too less, just the minimum hours, like 7 hours or whatever, and try to be awake the other times so that I can actually get stuff done, and work on how I can actually improve my energy levels, and also work on how to be awake, and how to not just sleep off easily the moment I get a chance and time, and look at how I can fill my time by doing stuff that I want to do or that I had planned to do but I'm not thinking about anymore. Maybe just get it done just because I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it long time back. Just do it for that sake and not for the sake of like, yeah, I want to do it. Because if I do it for the sake of I want to do it, currently I think I don't want to do it. Like I'm not so interested. But if I depend on interest or motivation or inspiration and all, then nothing will get done. I'll never get it done. So yeah. So other regrets would be, yeah, I mean, not exercising, not walking enough, um, not doing much impactful stuff, not bathing every day, or not even brushing every day. Sometimes that happens. And yeah, I mean, questioning what am I doing every day, right? Like, what did I get done? Nothing much. So I want to make some impact every day, or else I'm getting a big regret. And my habits, gym is one habit. Another habit is reading books. I've not been reading books for quite a long time now, quite some time now. So reading in general, reading books also, and working on my startup ideas, learning stuff. So a lot of things I have, a lot of things on my plate that I want to do, that I get to do. It's just that I'm always just finding reasons to not do them. Either being comfortable in the place where I am, be it the bed to sleep, or be it just life to just not do things and just chill and rest, and just think about some random things, or just worry about something or whatever, and waste away my time. So I think I want to get things done just for the sake of getting things done. And even if it is sloppy work, I want to first of all get things done. I want that to be my first and foremost important thing, so that I can do different revisions and versions. So the first version that I do can be sloppy work, it's fine, but I'll get it done. The second version and so on will be better maybe. So maybe I think I'll focus on getting things done than focusing on perfectionism, being a perfectionist, right? And perfecting things. So I think perfection is the killer of good enough or good. So I'm gonna try to just get things done, and let's see how it goes. And maybe that way I can minimize my regrets. Cool. So that's all I had for this video. That's the next one. Bye bye.